Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Kitex Garments, NMDC, Exaro Tiles, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Exaro Tiles Limited. Share is trading around rupees 106. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th December 2024. A1 More Capital and Management Services Limited. Current market price rupees 17.8. Company announced a rights issue at the rate rupees 10 per each share in the ratio 5:24. That means if you have 24 shares of A1 More Capital and Management Services, you are eligible to apply for 5 shares of the same share at the rate rupees 10. Record date is fixed as 12th December 2024. Issue period is between 23rd December to 6th January 2025. Kitex Garments Limited, Kitex. Current market price rupees 762. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Kitex Garments, you will get 200 additional shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Kitex Garments. This is the first time in 7 years that Kitex Garments is issuing bonus shares to its shareholders. In 2017, the company issued 2:5 bonus issue. Senco Gold Limited, Senco, current market price rupees 1143. Senco Gold announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Senco Gold. NMDC Limited, current market price rupees 242. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of NMDC, you will get 200 shares as bonus. Total you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by NMDC. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Masdock, current market price rupees 4,888. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 27th December 2024. This is the first time Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders splitting their stock. JBM Auto Limited, JBMA, current market price rupees 1,650. Company announced the stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by JBM Auto. JBM Auto recommended 18 dividends since August 14, 2006. Jai Balaji Industries Limited, Jai Balaji, current market price rupees 960. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Jai Balaji Industries. Jai Balaji Industries is also splitting their stock for the first time. Banco Products Limited, Banco India, current market price rupees 1,075. Banco Products announced the bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Banco Products. Bonus shares will be dispatched before 12th January 2025. Rama Phosphates Limited, Ramapho, current market price rupees 207. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Rama Phosphates. Rama Phosphates has not announced a stock split since 2018. Regis Industries Limited, current market price rupees 151. Regis Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Regis Industries. Garware Technical Fibers Limited, current market price rupees 4,821. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 4:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Garware Technical Fibers, you will get 400 shares as bonus. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Garware Technical Fibers. GTFL is a leading textile company in India that specializes in aquaculture, cage nets, fishing nets, sports nets, safety nets, agriculture nets, cotton fabrics. IPO. Jungle Camps India Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band rupees 68 to 72. Lot size 1,600 shares. IPO opens on 10th December and closes on 12th December 2024. Base of allotment 13th December, initiation of funds 16th December. Credit of shares to demat account is also falls on 16th December. Listing date is fixed as 17th December 2024. Jungle Camps India Limited. Incorporated in 2002, Jungle Camps India operates wildlife camps and hotels, motels, inns, guest house, holiday homes, health clubs, catering houses, and restaurants in India. The company is a conservation-focused hospitality group that operates 4 award-winning boutique resorts in prime wildlife and tiger reserve national parks across central India. In addition to these resorts, the group manages a highway retreat and a restaurant and offers a variety of customized travel experiences. The company owns and operates 87 rooms, including villas, cottages, deluxe rooms, and safari tents. Its amenities include banquet halls, meeting rooms, restaurants, bars, cafes, swimming pools, and spa facilities. The group owns and operates boutique luxury wilderness resort at these 4 locations. Pench Jungle Camp, Pench National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Rukhad Jungle Camp, Rukhad, Sioni District, Madhya Pradesh. Tadoba Jungle Camp, Bhamdeli Village, Chandrapur District, Maharashtra. Jungle Camp Kanha, Santapur Village, Balghat District, Madhya Pradesh. This is the balance sheet of Jungle Camps India Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in lakhs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.